Hello everyone. So I'm very privileged to be talking to Dr. Yash Jain, who just secured All India Rank 11 in NEET SS 2024 Surgical Group. So first of all, Dr. Yash, congratulations for the rank, and please tell us about you, how you started your journey, and how do you feel now?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, my journey, I did my MBBS from BJ Medical College, Pune. Then I did my MS General Surgery from St. GS Medical College and KM Hospital, Mumbai. And sir, this was my first attempt for NEET Super Specialty exam. That's it, sir. And sir,
So how are
please.
you feeling now? So getting a rank in the top 100, 200, I feel that's a huge feat for any student in NEET SS.
Sir, I'm really happy. Sir, I did not expect such a good rank. I expected a decent rank, definitely, but not such a good one.
Right, right. So tell us about how you prepared and how about you went for your reading? When did you start? So that all the aspirants who will be watching this, it would be a great help to them.
Sir, since the residency was quite heavy, even in our third year, we did not get much time. But during our preparatory leave for the MS General Surgery final exams, sir, I focused mainly on preparing for the university exams at that point of time. And before that, sir, I just had made my own notes by using a platform, and I was ready, kind of ready with my notes, like neurosurgery and gastrosurgery. I was ready with my notes, and otherwise I used printed notes
Right,
um, till that point of time. And then sir, after my university exams, then this year February and March, I gave my wholehearted preparation for the exam. 2 months of full dedication.
right. So tell us what textbooks you read and how about you went for the MCQ practice?
Correct. To be honest, I did not read much of the textbooks.
Right,
So I focused mainly on my notes. But
right.
because of FOMO towards the end, even I had contacted you and I had asked you, like, what should I do? With just
Yeah.
1 month left, there was FOMO that should I have read textbooks? So then, sir, you had told me that don't listen to anyone else and just follow what you have done, because last 1 month you shouldn't be thrown off track. So just follow
Yes.
what you had done. So I had, like I said, I had my own set of notes and I just focused on revising them. I tried reading Bailey, and even some parts of Sebastian. But whatever I read, I just added it to my notes.
Right,
So, and I focused mainly on the super specialty subjects.
right,
And for those subjects like neurosurgery, urology, uh, plastic, CVTS, I just added it to my own notes.
right.
So, likewise, I prepared, sir.
Right. So for all the future aspirants who will be watching this, what advice will you give them about how should they be preparing or how should they start now?
Like, sir, obviously, I would suggest that they should read the textbooks, like, because if all the faculties have told, and they stress, like, even the basic concepts you will just get by reading the textbooks. So obviously I will suggest that. But also, if you haven't read, even like for my example, 2 months of full dedication and preparation can make wonders. And even, sir, solving MCQs, I focused on solving MCQs at least around 50 to 100 daily I would solve.
Really? Right.
So that also helped.
Right. And the thing is that how would you rate, like, what would you say about the paper? Like, how was it? Was it out of the books or was it very much from the books? And is it that concepts are more important or rote learning is it helpful in any way? Because I felt that the paper was more conceptual and more textbook based. That is what I felt. So, what is your opinion on that?
Sir, like, it depends. Like, few questions were just one liners, like if you know, you know, if you don't know, you don't
Yeah,
know, you can't even
exactly.
guess. So few questions, like I would say at least one third of the question might be one liners only. So in that way you need to, even if you don't know the concepts, you need to know the facts.
Right.
So facts are also important. And sir, for conceptual, I think the endocrine part, the thyroid MCQs of thyroid, breast, quite a huge number of questions from the endocrine part, and those questions were mostly conceptual, sir.
Right.
Yes. So
So I think it should be a mixed bag of both,
yes.
that you should be reading your textbooks and also concentrate on the concepts. And as you mentioned that either using a printed notes or making your own notes is very important, because I think that is what helps you during your final phase of revision. Yeah. So, and yeah, I think that you have only given the national marks from Sushruta LGS. So, how would you say about Sushruta LGS, and how did they help you in your preparation?
For the national mocks, actually, the user interface of the app is really good, sir. Like the best I like in my experience, the interface was good, and also reviewing the questions was very easy, because sir, in I noticed that other platforms, sir, I gave the test, but I was unable to review it. But in Sushruta, sir, even reviewing was fast, and also at the end of the explanation, points were given, like take home points.
Yeah,
So I think even if you really look through the take home points, you get the gist of what concepts you are missing. So that way, sir, it was very helpful. And also, sir, quite a good number of questions were from shorts.
right.
So earlier we used to feel that why questions are being asked from shorts, because none other platform was asking from
Yeah,
shorts. But sir, after seeing the paper, and also after seeing the discussion, I figured that lot of questions were from shorts.
yeah.
So even if you are not able to read that, but if you have seen the questions which have been framed from shorts, at least you will cover some part of your preparation, and even if you don't read the textbook.
Yeah. So that is the reason I think, because I took the recall, I felt that the question paper was balanced between Bailey, Savist and Schwartz. It was roughly 30-40 from each. I felt, and 20-30 like neuro and all were very difficult. So that was the reason. Even last year it was like this, and that's the reason I included whole Schwartz in my MCQ bank and the mock exams as well. So that even if you don't read, because I felt that in the last 1 year when students used to contact me, majority of you, because either like you who have just finished your MS or they have started 6 months, they cannot finish Schwartz. So the question what I asked, I felt that at least they should be knowing that much. So, did you feel that our mocks were on a difficult level or easier than NEET essays or almost same? What is your take on that?
I feel the mocks were very balanced. It was not easy. It was not difficult also, and also factual questions were also asked in the in your paper, which was balanced like the actual exam. So it was a balanced paper. But obviously, sir, this paper, the NEET paper was not balanced in the number of questions from the super
Yeah.
specialty, because few questions were asked from gastro, and a lot of questions were asked from CBT. So in that way,
Yeah, it was
yes,
slightly unbalanced, and I think it will take more 1 or 2 years. I feel that NEET SS should be getting balanced, but I don't think that the level would go down. I feel that the level will be same or it will be tougher than this. I don't expect NEET SS to go easier than this. So, like, very proud of your achievement, even if you have just used our mocks. But as a student, and as I do remember you calling me about whether you should go for reading textbook now because others are reading, and I felt that if you can achieve at this stage, I feel many of the students should take inspiration from you, that it is not necessary to take out time, or you cannot read in your residency. That is what they should take from your inspiration. They should take that even while doing or with your MS, you can prepare for NEET SS. So before we end, I'd like to ask you to give a message to all the students or aspirants who will be watching this about how about they should go with their journey in preparation for NEET SS?
Sir, I feel for preparing, you just at least like the last 2 months, you should give your whole heart to the preparation, even if you have not been sincere. But at least the last 2 months, I think, matter the most. And also the number of revisions. At least I would say that you have at least two revisions, because as sir, while talking to you, you had stressed that at least whatever you have read, you should have three revisions. Although
Yes.
I could not complete the three revisions, but at least I completed two revisions. So
Yes.
revisions are the key. And rather than reading more and more, I would say that if you read less, read it multiple times, so that
Yes.
at least you can rule out the options. Because if you're sure what you have read, you can rule out two, three options and then mark a correct answer. And also, if I would suggest that if you're making mistakes frequently regarding a particular topic, it is better that you add that in your notes itself, so that the next time you don't make the same mistake again. And that's it, sir. That's
Yeah.
the
So
message
I
I.
think gist of what you said is that one would be that they should definitely read textbooks, either make the notes or use notes, the printed notes. Third is multiple revisions. I think that is one thing which I did emphasize a lot before the exams, and also I feel that that is something which decides the rank over my experience of the last few years. And the fourth thing is that making sure that whatever mistakes you've made, you should be going through them again before the exam. I think that is what forms the base of the last 1 month of the preparation. And as you said, sincerity in the last 2 months is a must. Yeah. So I think thank you so much, Dr. Yash, for talking to us and also guiding the aspirants who will be watching your video. And lastly, what and where are you planning to join in super specialty now?
I'm inclined more towards urology, but
Right,
I have not finalized which institute. I have to
right,
research, because I was not expecting such a good rank. So I
right,
just knew that what could I take, but I'll have to research.
right. Okay, that's fair enough. So best of luck and welcome to the field of super specialty now. And once more, congratulations, and we are very proud. And thank you for talking to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Yash. So
Yes, sir.
once I'll upload, I'll also share the link with you, so you can also you share if you want. And thank you for talking to me. Uh, yeah, sure. Thank you. And do share for Sushruta LGS with the other your colleagues and juniors also if they can utilize that.
Also, the feedback, sir, the kind of user interface and the ease of going through the questions, reviewing is, I think, matters a lot, because if you're focusing on other things, and yeah, it is like you just need to absorb knowledge, and it is best that it is palatable easily. So, and
Yes.
the more number of you also even the small glitches, you try to update the app in few days. So I
Yeah.
think that takes a lot of hard work, and credit, I would like to credit
Thank you so much for that. Actually, because we are we don't have any team. I only take care of everything, and we are just you can call it as 1.5 year old. So we have a lot of things to like tweaks to be solved, but we are trying our best to get it done as soon as possible. Because I concentrate on the content, but the technical part is, yeah, it takes some time, but I try to do as fast as possible.
really fast. Sir, I don't know who manages the app, but compared to other platforms, sir, you have been able to constantly update. Even the section wise also, you were able to do that. Other few platforms were not even able to do that. So, sir, all credit to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
just one last question, if I can ask you, if you can just give feedback on the app, all the positives, negatives, it would be of great help to us to do what we are doing. And if there is something negative, we can improve upon that. So if you can share, it would be great to us.
Sir, I don't see any downside. Sir, maybe like a few emojis are used in the explanation. I don't
Yeah.
know if it's good or bad, but I was fine with it. Um,
Okay.
but I don't see any downsides, sir,
Right.
in the app.
That's okay. Great. Then thank you for that feedback, and thank you for talking to me. So I think we'll end here.